woke up in a hallway, walls made of breathing glass, every step an echo of a life I never had. My hands are full of static, my name tastes wrong today. Every mirror bends away from me, like it's tired of my face. I keep falling through these glass rooms in the rain, watching all my borrowed faces wash away. Tell me, is there anything that still remembers my name? Or am I only an outline in the rain? Choking on the ceiling, patterns move beneath my skin. Voices wearing my voice whisper, we begin again. Calendar with teeth marks, days scratched out in black and blue. I tried to pray, but every word came back dressed like you. I keep falling through these glass rooms in the rain, watching all my borrowed faces wash away. Tell me, is there anything that still remembers my name? Or am I only an outline in the rain? Open doors to deeper doors, down and down the spiral laughs. Every truth is stained and torn, every path folds in half. If I wake, will I be whole, or just a shadow on your wall? If I stay, will I dissolve? Would it matter? Would it matter at all? Would it matter?